Hello guys and welcome to Creative Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to build the 31058 owl, commonly known as Mighty Dinos. This owl has a lot of features, including eyes that look like the real thing, talons sharp enough to hold, wings that can probably even fly this, a tail that's used in the stand, and horns. The horns make it look like a great horned owl. This beak is here on this thing, so it can go in the middle. Attach that there. This brow is used to hide these clips in here. So what you do is you take a claw, a black claw, and snip it on there. Push that there. And on top of it, so it makes it seem like if you do this, it makes it seem like that's the eye, and there's the slit, the dilated eye, so it makes it look like an owl. These wings I made so they can also, this head, the best part about the head though, is that you can flip it back completely so that when it's flying, you can look up. You can't really look down, but it's pretty much look down. And next, the talons. The talons are my favorite part. They're sharp enough, really sharp enough to be able to hold stuff. Holding stuff. And you can also use the talons, to be able to hold your finger. I also added in blasters that clip on here. Now you can take them with or without the blasters, but I like the blasters there better because it makes it a little cooler. Now, you're gonna need this piece. You use the tail you use the tail mostly to make the stand, this is the stand. Just a simple build. Just this big piece, yellow brick, then attach on these two holder clip thingies. Then take that onto one, take these two, like so. And there you have it. Now attach these. It attaches on like that, and there you go. There, should be able to stand. Hang on. Yep, should be able to stand like that, not touching the ground. So now that you've seen all the features of this owl, we'll get on with the build. We're first going to build the legs and the claw. So you take this and you take this slope green thing, 2x2 slope thing, and you make it look like this. Then you take this clipper thingy, attach this rod on it, and take basically two of this. You attach this big claw and this. Do that. And then you clip it onto there, which makes like that. And to make the last one, which will make the next part of the claw, you take this. And then it's this weird hole with it, this cross hole here, and that'll clip on like here. Attach the claw here, and that's the claw. Make a double of it, and you're ready for step 2. Step 2 is to make the body. You're going to need to make the body by making the following parts. So you first take this ball joint, put a 2x1 on top of it, then clip it on, then push it onto the edge of a 6x2. Then take two 2x1s in the dark green color, put them horizontally or vertically on a double super duper huge ball joint. Push it on so that it looks sort of like this. Now, you take, next up is to build this. You first take a 2x2 slope in this khaki color, light tan color, then push it onto the middle like this. Then, facing it outward, put this on here, and this on here. No, wait. Here, put this on. No, wait, sorry. I was right the first time. It's like this. So it looks like this. This at the bottom, this at the top. Next, you take this, push it onto here so that this 1x4 goes onto the remaining space. There's a little clip here. There's a little tab here. We're going to take this 2x1, push it onto here so it looks something like little stairs. Boop, boop. Then you take this clip, then push it on to the bottom of this so it looks like this clip coming out of this 4x1. Then put the blaster here. Repeat the same steps except opposite. Sorry. You have to flip it actually. So it looks like this actually. Flip it. So it's like this. Lastly, you first make this 1x1 and clip, then take this giant body piece, whatever, and put a 2x2 round piece on it at the top, so it looks something like a little like this. Then take the clips you made, put them on. Take this. So you're going to need a 2x4. Put this 1x2 here. Then make sure this red piece is here, not here, here. So it looks like this. Not there, here. Little space there. What you shouldn't have put it here because you need the space for this light tan. Lastly, you're going to take these two ball joints, push it on there. Now for this step, you're probably going to need to take off the clips, just that. Take your two side borders and push them on so that this gray piece is next to this ball joint. Then you do the same thing so that it looks something like this. Next, take the two clips you removed, push it onto there, and there you have it. Now all that's left is to put this here. This is going to be the head ball joint, and there's the bottom. The third step is to make the head and the tail. The tail is going to be pretty easy. Take this giant, huge clip. Yeah, it looks sort of like a clip. Then you take this and attach it so that it looks like this. Make sure that this is the bottom one. Not like this. It's not like this. The opposite. It has to be. That's because you're going to need to stand to secure it like this. The tail is pretty easy. Now we're moving on to the head. So the head is going to be all based on this. You're going to need 2 of these green ones, put them together, sort of to look like that. Then push this on here so that this 2x2 connects all 4. Then the rest, put that there, and then this there. So it looks like this. Now, take another one of these 2x2s, and on the sides of these 2x2s, take these 1x1 round transparent oranges. Then, on the center of that, take a upwards clip, an up clip on another round 1x1. Push that onto the center of this. Make sure that it's horizontal, not vertical, horizontal. Now you're going to want this to be horizontal so you can attach the beak on like this. Then to build the thing, take a clipper thing and take 2 side and put these slopes on like this, then attach them on to make this head. Then you take this is how the horns will be attached, like so. You're going to take these fly head thingies and put 2 horns and put a horn on them to make it look like this. Then you're going to take, as I showed you, the eye mechanism. Gonna put that on there. Gonna put that on there. Next, you're gonna need these 2 1x1 T-slopes to put them on the eye, like so, under the eye, like this. Now, what you're gonna need is a deep red, a dark red, 1x2. Then put, it really doesn't matter which way you're ordering it, but I like to do it like this. So you take this, make it like this, then you take 2 more of these green, light green 1x2s, attach them onto here, and put them on brown. That's how you make the head and the tail. The next step is to make the wings. So you're going to first start with this piece. So it's this round curved piece. You're going to take this wing piece and take 2 of those so they look something like this. Then take an elongated piece and this. Then take another wing piece, attach this to here, and then make sure it attaches to another end piece so that it's smooth. Then flip to the back and attach this 2 piece. Create another one of those, but opposite, and you'll be able to be ready for the last. Now, all you need to do now is combine it. Put the wings here. put this here. Take the tail here, attach it like that. Take the legs. Push that on. And that's how you build the Toxic Owl.